India held bilateral consultations with Finland and Argentina and broadened the scope of bilateral cooperation.
India's foreign ministry said that India and Finland have agreed to explore cooperation in new areas like startups, health and pharmaceuticals, space and vocational education. The two sides also carried out a comprehensive review of their bilateral ties at the 11th India Finland Foreign Office consultations that took place in Helsinki. It said both sides exchanged views on regional and global issues of mutual interest, including Afghanistan, Indo Pacific, India EU partnership, cooperation in the Arctic and Antarctic regions, and COP26. Both sides agreed to enhance cooperation during their terms at UN Human Rights Council and at multilateral fora. The progress made in bilateral cooperation since the virtual summit held between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Finnish counterpart Sanna Marin in March was also reviewed in the meeting. The India delegation at the talks was led by Rinat Sandhu, secretary in the MEA, while the Finnish team was headed by Matti Antonen, permanent secretary in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Meanwhile, India and Argentina have also reaffirmed their resolve to broaden ongoing bilateral ties. The sixth round of Foreign Office consultations between India and Argentina was held at New Delhi, in which Riva Ganguly Das, secretary, led the Indian delegation, while the Argentine delegation was led by Pablo Tetamanti, deputy foreign minister. Relations between India and Argentina were elevated to strategic partnership in 2019. Both countries agreed to broaden ongoing bilateral cooperation in defense, space, nuclear energy, minerals, energy, oil and gas, health and pharma, agriculture, Ayurveda, development cooperation, science and technology. India and Argentina have also identified steps to strengthen trade and investment, market access for more agricultural as well as pharmaceutical products, cooperation in the information technology sector, and deepening people to people ties.